Okay, just follow the key. You can see the key. You can find the two connect the red and the black to connect this one, the pole line and the pole line. So this pole line connect with the switch. The turn signal pole line connect with the yellow and the black one. So the switch, you can see this one, the left signal and the right signal. So the switch connect with this lines. This one, this lines connect with the home. You can see. Connect with the home, and this one connect with the pole line. So 1, 2, 3. This one, the headline, and the small lines. So the small lines. Okay. The set line, and the set line, the two set line.